This is a Shopify store, and I believe you have a Shopify store and you don't have the social media icon. That's why you are watching this video. So no problem, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add this social media icon in your footer of your social. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you need to log in your Shopify website backend, and here you can see this is the Shopify website backend, and you just need to go on the themes and then edit your theme. Okay, so when you go on edit your theme, then you will see this dashboard. So this is the all the section in the left list of your website. So for example, if I click on there, this is actually header. So this is, and you just need to go scroll down and go on the footer, just click on footer. So when you click on footer, you can see this is the footer, and if I want, I can just turn off the footer menu. Okay, but I just want to keep the footer menu. Okay, so and then how you can add the social media button. Okay, so when you click on footer, just make sure you need to click on footer and make it selected. Okay, and then go to right hand side, and here you can see this is the social media icon, and just you need to turn on this. And if your website has already turned on but still your icon is not showing here, what you need to do, just click on theme settings, and when you go to theme setting, you will see the social media accounts are already popped up. Just you need to input your all the social media link one by one, copy and paste here, and then you can see I already inputted this 4 social media profile link. That's why it's showing 4. If I want to add another one, it will add then next one. If I want to remove one, you can see this TikTok will go. Okay, but I don't want to do that. I just want to keep the TikTok, so that's why I am keeping this one. So here is how you can add your social media icon in your Shopify website footer menu. So that's all guys. If you found this video helpful, please do subscribe because it will help me to continue working on this channel. My name is Nasim. I will see you on the next one. Till then, bye. Have a great day.